Do you have the feelings that your spouse is no longer the same? The calls, the late nights, and the distance. So you are wondering, is my spouse cheating on me? Before you conclude, I want you to watch this video to the end because I'm going to reveal to you the three powerful signs that will make you know truly if your spouse is cheating on you. But before we continue, if you are looking for a place to nurture your marriage, in order for you to have a blissful home, hit that subscribe button now and turn on the notification bell so that we never miss any of our videos. Now, these are the three clear signs you must look out for in your spouse to truly know if they are cheating on you. And at the end, I'm going to reveal to you the first thing to do. The first sign is sudden secrecy. They start protecting their phone, changing password, going out to make call and deleting message. Secrecy where there is openness is a clear warning that your spouse is truly cheating on you. Another sign is change in routine, coming home lately, new schedules, unexplained trips, and all these matter most when a spouse is cheating on you. You start noticing this. The last sign is loss of affection, physical intimacy fades and then complementary stop. Their heart is no longer with you anymore. Even though they are at home, their heart is somewhere else. This is a sign that something is happening in your marriage. Your spouse is truly cheating on you. So, what do you do next when you notice all this? Don't rush to accuse. You have to calm down, study your spouse very well to gather information in order for you to have clarity that truly this man or this woman is cheating on you. Then speak with kindness, not confrontation. If you find out that it is true, then what else can you do to stop your spouse from cheating? That will be my next video. So I want you to hit that subscribe button now so that you will not miss it.